You're recording or what?
He was at the hair cutter and he paid $20. And now he's looking so beautiful. Each side has a different size.
You're mocking me, right?
No. It's a little bit too dark to see it exactly, but it is like here.
Which one was better, before or now?
Well, it was. It's hard to say. Both was not the optimum, so.
Even with longer hair, it was not that good, eh?
Well, yeah, because you didn't took care of it. You were just like waking up, taking a shower, letting it dry, done. But with curls like this, they need a lot of care.
But now I'm gonna put a new style, a different one, even better.
Of course. I mean, you paid already $20 for it.
I paid, he wanted 30.
But.
And then I left the place really pleased and now I'm not paying 30.
We'll make it.